Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spicy tuna using simple ingredients. First, gather your essentials. You will need 2 cans of tuna, about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and a spicy sauce like sriracha. Don't forget some fresh green onions and toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor and garnish. Make sure you have a medium-sized mixing bowl and a sturdy spoon ready to go. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by thoroughly draining 2 cans of your favorite tuna. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency. Once drained, transfer the tuna to a medium-sized mixing bowl. Use a fork to gently flake the tuna, breaking it into smaller, manageable pieces. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise to the tuna. Next, it's time to add the exciting flavors. For that signature kick, mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha, adjusting the amount to your preferred spice level. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green onions, which adds a wonderful freshness and a mild oniony bite. Finally, drizzle in 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil for a rich, nutty aroma and flavor that truly elevates the dish. Your homemade spicy tuna is now ready to enjoy. There are so many delicious ways to serve this versatile dish. Try it on crispy crackers for a quick snack, or spread it on toasted bread for a satisfying sandwich. It also makes an excellent filling for homemade sushi rolls or light and refreshing lettuce wraps. Don't forget to garnish with a few extra green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.